Welcome to the Arduino tutorial on first Arduino program. In this tutorial, we will learn how to write an Arduino program, compile and upload the program, and blink an LED. Here I am using Arduino Uno board, Windows operating system, and Arduino IDE. Note one thing. First we will learn it from the PPT including all the steps, then we will show the practical performance of the same. To follow this tutorial, you should have basic knowledge of electronic, basic knowledge of writing C or C++ program, and Arduino Uno board with USB power cable. Let us open the Arduino IDE to write us our first program. Here we can see various menu in the menu bar. In the Arduino environment, each program is saved as a sketch. By default, it creates the name as a sketch underscore and a name. You can change the name by clicking on the file and then save. Type file name blink LED. Now click on the save button. Here you can verify the given name. This is default program environment with two empty functions, void setup and void loop. Now we will write an Arduino program to blink the LED. For this LED program, I want to blink pin number 13. It is a digital input output pin connected to this LED internally. You can see the LED with the arrow. Now we have to write our code. Void setup function stands for setting up a microcontroller. In our case, pin number 13 has to be set up first. To do this, we will use inbuilt function called pin mode. It has a two parameter pin number, mode. This language is can sensitive, so take care in small and capital letter. Here P is a small and M is a capital letter. Here pin number 13 and mode is output. Why should we keep the mode as output? This is because the pin number 30 is internally connected to the LED. It will glow when the voltage is high, but it will not glow when the voltage is 0. We have to configure mode as output to show voltage to the LED. Next, we will write the code for the void loop function. Before we blink LED, let us glow LED. There is a function called digital write which will write to a digital pin. This function has a two parameter as a pin number and a value. We already know the pin number which is 30 and the value can be high or low. So type as shown in the screen. We want to glow the LED, so voltage should be high. That's all. The code is very simple. Next step is to compile the program. Click on the tick icon on the menu bar to verify the program. This will compile our program into binary format which is understandable by the microcontroller. You can see the compilation status at the bottom of the IDE. Next we will upload the program to the microcontroller. Click on the right arrow button on the menu bar to upload the program. Alternatively, you can select the sketch menu and then you can apply the upload. You can see the TXRX blink for a while. This indicates the transmission is on. Now you can see the LED is glowing. Now, how to turn off the LED? We have to modify this program such that the second parameter value should be low. You can see on the screen in the void loop the digital write 30, low. Now let us compile and upload the program. You can see the LED is off now. Now we know how to turn on and off the LED. So now we will modify our program to make the LED blinking. This is on and off for a particular time interval. We will change the program as shown in the screen. We are using delay inbuilt function which will provide pause to the program for a certain amount of time. So here I have typed the program. Let me explain the void loop program line by line again. Void loop is an infinite loop and it will execute continuously. The pin number 13 connected to the LED will be high for the 500 millisecond and low state for 500 millisecond. This program is going to execute repetitively. Here delay bracket 500, that means it is a 500 millisecond. Now compile and upload the program. Here the LED will blink. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial we learn about how to write Arduino program, compile and upload the program, and blink an LED. Do the following assignment. Change the delay timing to a 1500 in the LED program. Compile and upload the program and observe the blinking of the LED. Now it is time for a practical. Let me show you the demonstration of a same lab experiment. Now we will perform the experiment. For that, open the IDE. Here, first of all, we will save the code. So go to the file, click on the save. It will open one dialog box where you can set the location and store the code. Click on save. Now we will increase the font size by click on a file, click on a preferences. Here you will find the option of editor font size. So make it 30 and press OK. So now you can see the font is visible. Now we will write our first code, that is turn on the LED. So to turn on the LED, we will write code in a void setup. We will set pin number 30 as output and we will write in a void loop that pin number 30 should be high. Because we want to make LED on, we will write as a high pin number 13. So this code is very simple. You can see and write in your IDE. Now compile, click on this icon. So it will compile. You can also use the sketch and compile. Now upload, sketch and upload. Wait for the output. Now we will write code for the turn off. So to turn off, we will set pin number 13 to the low. So just small modification and then upload the code and you can check the output. Now we will modify our code to blink the LED. To blink the LED, we will set pin number 13 to high. Then we will set delay of 500 millisecond. And then we will again set pin number 13 to low and we will set delay to 500. So continuously it is low and high with the delay of 500. Upload the code. Let us solve the assignment. As per the assignment, set the delay to 1500. So go to the code, set delay to the 1500, 1500 on and 1500 off. Upload the code and then wait for the output. Do you have any question in this Arduino tutorial? Please contact us through the given detail on the screen. Thank you very much.